I'm Sandy from Cube3, and today we're going to be unboxing the Crucial Ballistix Max 4400 32GB RAM pack. This RAM is presented beautifully in a simple fold-over cardboard box with a plastic insert that holds the two RAM sticks. These sticks have a very clean design with low-profile heat sinks, but if you're an RGB enthusiast, you can buy an RGB version of these RAM sticks. Installing RAM is a simple process. Simply unclick the clamps and remove the old RAM, then slot the new RAM into those slots. You will have to check with your motherboard manufacturer which slots are best for you to use for a dual channel. For example, mine was 2 and 4. And once they're installed, turn on your computer and it should be just plug and play. It should just recognize them instantly. If your motherboard supports it, you'll get the full speed. If it doesn't support it, you'll get whatever the max speed is of your motherboard. Once I'd installed the RAM sticks myself and updated my BIOS software, the new speeds were instantly available, allowing for my computer to boot in 5 seconds instead of its previous 30. This RAM is spectacular value for money, and I highly recommend it. If you want to read more about my opinions and what I experienced, you can check out the written Cube3 review in the description. If you want to view the statistics for the RAM, you can check them on Crucial's website. This kit was provided to us by Crucial. Thank you very much, guys. Thank you for watching this Cube3 video. We'll catch you next time.